Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I'm really excited to share a new project that I've created. This is a Shabby Chic Valentine's mini loaded envelope. I participated in a swap last month with Zenobia Noor, and we had to create a 4 by 6 inch loaded mini album. We had to create 3 wands, a layered tag, and also provide gourmet candies and some other fun goodies. Before I show you the project that I've created, let me show you some of the items that I used. I used this Fiskars punch. It says love. I used this We Are Memory Keeper candy punch board to make the candy box. I used this flower die by Crafter's Companion, and this is called Rosary, and it's from the Parisian collection. This is so pretty. I used this die by Spellbinders. It's called Isadora Trinkets. I think it is so pretty. I also used another Spellbinders die, and this one is called Curl Grace Oval. I used this large Martha Stewart butterfly punch. It's called Country Butterfly. I used these pretty gems that I purchased from Michaels. I used this Glitterific in clear hologram. I love the way this looks on the paper. I used the Victorian Valentine digital collection by Lace Boutique One. For those of you who know Anna Torres, she is the owner of Lace Boutique One on YouTube, and she also has an Etsy shop, so I will be sure to include a link in the description box below. So now let me show you this project. I love the way this turned out. I love the teal greens and the pinks. This is the front of it, and I did create an easel loaded envelope. This is what the side looks like. As you can see, the easel right there. And this is the back of it. As I said, we had to create a mini envelope that measured 4 by 6 inches. Now to make this, I did use a tutorial by Tamika. She is Scrap the World. And then I went ahead and added in the easel component to it. I made this first one here. I really love it. It's in the shape of a tulip. On the top here, I have this scalloped iridescent white paper that's lined with a small bead of pearls. I have this beautiful rosette here that I cut out with my Cricut maker. This bow is a die that I had in my stash, and this little decorated button here was gifted to me by my friend Alicia Reese Holloway. This is so pretty. It is a decorated button. It's got beautiful faceted beads, a rose which I've added Glitterific to, and then this little word bead here that says beauty. I added in this pretty pink bow and this resin heart piece, and to finish it off I tied this pretty light blue eyelash trim, this white cotton lace, and then more of the pearl beads. I think that is so pretty. And to make the holder or the stick for this, I used a plain lollipop stick that you can find at Michael's. I colored it with my Spectrum Noir markers in a complementary color as the paper. And this is what the back looks like. Here you can see that beautiful paper. I created this beautiful layered heart rosette. I cut this out using Cricut Design Space, and these are 2 different size hearts here, as you can tell. I do have a separate video that shows you how I make these. And then I've layered this here with a beautiful floral spray. I put in some flat back pearls. I used a heart punch to cut out this iridescent pink heart. And then I layered more of these resin decorative heart pieces here. And I finished it off with this little sentiment here that says XOXO hugs. And then similar to the other wand, I did use this pretty trim. All of the wands are finished in the same manner with this cotton lace, the eyelash trim, and the pearls. I created this fun little wand. This is more of a filler. I use this sparkly puffy heart, and I use this iridescent chenille stem, and then a light pink, and then just rolled it around. And then I have it on this pretty pink straw that has gold foil hearts on it. In the front pocket, I created these fun embellishments, and I have it displayed on this beautiful tag. This tag was created using Cricut Design Space. I used a die in my stash to create this bow. I layered it with this beautiful rose, and again you can see more of that holographic glitterific. This is another rose here, and I glued on top of that this beautiful heart-shaped lace doily with a pearl. And then we have another bow here on the bottom that has this beautiful decorated button, and this one says Dream. And then in the back you can see these pretty dies. Now for each of these tags, all of the embellishments are adhered to a piece of acetate. That way the items don't stick to the back of the tag, and you can reuse the tag as you wish. I created another wand, and I created this using Cricut Design Space. I layered this with another heart in the back, and then put a pretty ivory color lace around it. This little cherub is one of the ephemera pieces that comes with the Victorian Valentine digital paper collection. I created a floral spray here of pink and white roses. We've got a little satin pink rose here, and then I threaded through this pretty pearl string. And then in the back you could see a pretty resin heart, ever so slightly. And you can see the button. We've got another little resin heart here, and again the eyelash trim, the pearls, and the cotton lace. And I finished it in the back. Here's another piece of ephemera from the paper collection. I love these little cherubs. I created another set of ephemera. This is again on a tag. You can see that beautiful die cut more, which I did decorate with this pretty pink gem on the top and these gems on the bottom. And these are both heart rosettes that I've created on my Cricut, and each of them have a little banner. They have smaller layered hearts and floral sprays. This one says forever, and this one says I love you, be mine. Very pretty. Now I want to give you a closer look at the loaded envelope. I'm just going to fold this down. On the front of this loaded envelope, as you can see, it's 6 inches by 4 inches. On the front pocket here, I have layers of this ivory lace. I use this beautiful rose and pearl trim in a very light pale pink. I used die cut hearts in the back to create this little border, and then I layered on this resin heart here. And then on the top of the loaded envelope, I just cut a V into the front of the large pocket. I layered that with more of this ivory lace, and then I used flat back pearls to outline that. I think that is so pretty. And to make it an easel, this piece simply comes down, and on the bottom here we've got another line of ivory lace and more beads. And this is the little holder for the easel base. This is a side, and as you can see, I've decorated inside and out. This paper is so beautiful. And then on the back, I've created another pocket, more lace. I have this little glittered butterfly here and more of the flat back pearl. We also had to create a large tag, and this is the tag that I've created. I love the way this turned out. As you can see, I've used this tag shape throughout. I just love it, and it's perfect for this project. On the back, I have it layered with beautiful paper, more of this white iridescent paper. I have beautiful hearts layered on. I have a faceted pearl here. This is a larger cherub that I cut out from the digital paper collection. Here you can see these beautiful floral and pearl sprays. I used a punch to cut out the word love and then used the holographic glitterific on it. We have this beautiful rose here, an enamel flower, more of the flowers here, more of the faceted pearls. I just love these little wispy floral sprays here. And then on the bottom here, I have this light pink ruffle trim with pink sequins. And then on the bottom, we have another layer of this lace cotton trim here. I think that is so pretty. And I just left the back plain. So that is the tag that I've created. I created more embellishments. These are flowers that I created using that Crafter's Companion rosary die. And it is so pretty and dimensional. As you can see, I cut out the teal blue as well as the pink. And each of these I finished with that holographic glitterific paint. On the top, we have more of that light pink iridescent pearl trim, and then the same on the bottom. Let me give you a closer look here. Aren't these pretty? And these are so easy to make. I also created more embellishments. These are mini bag toppers, and I had these in my stash. This is a simple circle, and then on top of it I layered it with a flower and then 2 tiny butterflies here. And then here is another bag topper that's in the shape of a butterfly, and then I layered that with the iridescent white paper. I used the holographic glitterific here, and then finished the center of the butterfly with this beautiful pink pearl. Last but not least, I made this beautiful candy box using the We Are Memory Keepers candy box punch. As you can see here, this is so pretty and shabby chic. I cut out more of these beautiful flowers, and then I use this cotton lace here and more of the eyelash trim. And this is filled with Lindor white chocolate truffles. This concludes my review of my shabby chic Valentine mini loaded envelope. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that little bell button so you will receive all of my future videos. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, and happy crafting.